we're really enthused and really honoured to actually be able to host some of the best young talent in the collision industry. So the best spray painters and the best panel beaters, apprentices in the nation, in our facility, which is really humbling and really exciting to see a lot of young talent. But we're really happy to be able to promote it and support it because it's one of a lifetime opportunity for the Institute and also for the students that are here. So we've been able to set it up, clean up and make it a real competitive event where students can, and apprentices and the trainees can actually showcase how good they are, and they're amazing. They're the top of the top in terms of the nation in their own fields.